Stavanger is a pleasant modern Norwegian seaside city that pleases travelers with an abundance of shops, boutiques, souvenir shops, restaurants, pubs and street cafes. Join me on a walking tour of Stavanger in March 2023, a charming coastal town in Norway full of surprises. From the colorful wooden houses of the old town to the contemporary street art in the city center, Stavanger is a city with something for everyone. The city has a mild climate, even though it is in the north. It is the only city in Norway where it rarely snows in winter. Come and step by step, let us discover the hidden gems of Stavanger together. My friends, here is the most beautiful part of the city of Vilnius, the hidden gem of Europe. Please enjoy walking with me. Cozy, colorful, full of culture and life, romantic and captivating. This is what Vilnius is like, beckoning those who are in search of respite or inspiration. In 2023, Vilnius celebrates an impressive date, its 700th anniversary, and invites you to discover the best that it has to offer. The extraordinary spirit of the old city captivates and invites you to explore the city day and night. Acquaintance with the beautiful city of Lviv in the west of Ukraine near the border with Poland. Walk in the first days of March 2023. Lviv is the western tourist capital of Ukraine, the city of legends and myths, the land of nobles and kings. A city with a special European charm and an atmosphere of majestic tranquility. Cobbled streets with old houses, majestic cathedrals, magnificent temples, unusual museums, and numerous architectural monuments, fabulous palaces, cozy cafes. You can get acquainted with Lviv indefinitely. All this attracts crowds of tourists, not only from Ukraine, but from all over the world. Everyone can find their favorite places in Lviv. Rue Soufflot leads directly to the Pantheon and is named after Jacques-Germain Soufflot, the architect of the Pantheon. The construction of the street was planned for the end of the 18th century. From the Pantheon Square to the Luxembourg Gardens, a wide street was pierced, later called Soufflot Street. It was opened in 1760. And today this street is considered the hallmark of Paris. Walking along it, you feel the strength and power of ancient buildings. It seems that time has stopped and you are not in the 21st century, but a couple of centuries ago. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.